Hi everybody, my name's Cam and I'm here in the Vexo studio, and we really love fast flying. That's why I'm so excited to have the NewBeeDrone Hummingbird V3.1, the lightest, fastest, and some would say the best racing drone out the box available on the market. We're gonna be unboxing it here and starting to do a little review on it. I'm really excited to crack this open and bring you along for the ride. Let's do this. All right, let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Okay. Ooh, some cool stickers. A little technical specification diagram. Some extra props. A prop removal tool and an extra canopy. And then the drone itself. Look at that. Oh, and there's some extra screws down here in the bottom. Let's see them right here. Go ahead and put this away. Getting started here from the back, we have the A30 battery connector, which is going to allow you to run your BT 2.0 batteries without having to worry about swapping over any connectors, so that's great out the box. We have 30,000 kV motors, so a really high power to weight ratio on this. It is paired with some really lightweight propellers that have plastic removed from the interior of the hub, so lightness being the name of the game here. And again, with lightness being in mind, they've got this drone down to, I believe, 16.4 grams, which is, that's the lightest out there. That's really good out the box. It's paired with a all-in-one flight controller, so you have a VTX built in here, so video transmission is going to be sent out through the board, and it also has the ELRS receiver built into it. What's powering this drone is in fact a 1S battery, which will go down here in the battery slot. This is going to be able to handle most 250 to 300 mAh batteries. The cockroach frame here holds everything together. It's holding the all-in-one flight controller that has a VTX that only goes up to 25 milliwatts, which is perfect for race pilots. The BI camera is held in place with this really lightweight TPU camera, which is perfect because it allows you to have a lightweight setup that is adjustable, so you can come back here and adjust the screw. That's going to allow you to change your camera tilt. There is a small amount of camera protection that is being offered here with the TPU mount. It protects the lens just a little bit, but again, the main idea behind this drone is lightness. When it comes to racing, weight and power are the name of the game, and with Tinywhoop Racing, there's no exception. NewBeeDrone has gone after one of the lightest drone builds possible out the box, and it's giving a very high power to weight ratio, closer to what you'd expect from a 5-inch. Now, this is only a 1S power system. It's not going to be the fastest drone in the world, but when it comes to 65mm racers, this is definitely going to be a ripper. This drone is for pilots who want to race and who want a drone that's already optimized for racing. A drone like the Hummingbird is set up and you're not going to have to do any additional modifications. You're ready to go with a drone that has high KV, has a lightweight chassis, and has all the optimizations necessary to be a racing drone. This Whoop is basically like a Ferrari of the sky. It's not really meant to be flown slow, and it actually even struggles to be flown slow. The camera tilt is so high that a beginner is gonna really struggle to keep this drone under control. When flying in conditions where the light is gonna be changing or you have really bright areas, this camera definitely struggles a bit. There's a big difference between cinematography and racing, but as a result of flying the Hummingbird around for these past few weeks, it's reignited my love for wanting to fly and compete. Being a cinematographer pilot, we tend to focus on wide sweeping lines, being really smooth with our flying, and overall just focusing in on showing off a subject. But racing requires something a little different. The Hummingbird is perfect for flying close to these super tight apexes, flying around as quickly as possible, and being able to really hone in on that technical, precise flying that is required for racing. Now, I have been out of the practice of racing for quite some time, but getting back with a Hummingbird makes me want to go ahead and practice a whole lot more, and it makes me want to improve as a professional and as a pilot.
This Hummingbird is a fantastic race drone. It's so fast, it's so agile, and honestly, it's like a bucking bronco. It's one of the fastest drones I've ever flown that is on a 1S power plant, and I'm really grateful for the opportunity that NewBeeDrone provided us. Thanks again, NewBeeDrone, for giving us this fantastic race drone that's allowed me to reignite my love of, well, going fast. And I can't wait to take this out and just practice with this a whole bunch. Now, this again is going to be the type of drone that maybe a newbie is not really all that ready for. But for someone who's looking to take their skills to the next level, this is a fantastic platform. Thanks again for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've got a suggestion for an obstacle that we can add to our racetrack, let us know in the comment section below. This has been Cam, and thanks for watching our video, and I'll see you in the next one.